Hey there, everybody! Welcome to a world where your dreams can truly come to life. Are you ready for an exciting adventure? An adventure that takes you beyond the ordinary and into the extraordinary? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of YouTube, a platform that has revolutionized how we share and consume content. It's a place where you can share your passions, connect with people all over the globe, and even make some money along the way. Imagine reaching out to millions with just a click. Think of YouTube as your very own TV channel. But unlike traditional TV, you have complete control over what you broadcast. You get to be the star. You decide the content, the style, and the message. You choose what to share. You create amazing videos. Whether it's vlogs, tutorials, or entertainment, the possibilities are endless. And guess what? People love watching YouTube. They crave fresh, engaging content that resonates with them. They spend hours glued to their screens discovering new things and having fun. It's a community of viewers and creators, all connected by the love of video. But here's the best part. You can earn money doing what you love. Yes, you heard that right. That's right. YouTube gives you the power to turn your creativity into cash. Through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise, the opportunities are vast. It's like magic, but better, because it's real, and it's happening every day for countless creators. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube's success? Let's go. Together, we'll explore tips, tricks, and strategies to help you shine on this incredible platform. Get ready to embark on a journey where your creativity knows no bounds and your dreams can truly come true. Okay, future YouTube stars, let's get you set up. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. Don't worry, it's super easy. It's like creating a profile, but way more fun. Head over to YouTube and click that Create Account button. Choose a catchy name that reflects your style. Pick a cool profile picture that screams, you! And don't forget to add a banner image that's bright and eye-catching. Now, for the fun part, creating your channel trailer. This is your chance to introduce yourself to the world. Tell everyone what your channel is all about and what kind of awesome content they can expect. Keep it short, sweet, and engaging. Congratulations, you're officially a YouTuber. Creating videos that shine. All right, YouTubers in training. Today, we're diving into the art of making videos that not only capture attention, but also keep your audience coming back for more. It's time to unleash your creativity. Your workspace is your playground, filled with endless possibilities. Grab your notebook and start jotting down those wild ideas. What are you passionate about? What gets you excited? Share it with the world through your videos. Your enthusiasm will be infectious, and your audience will feel your energy. Think about the kind of videos you love to watch. What draws you in? Is it the storytelling, the humor, or the valuable information? Use that as inspiration for your own content. Are you drawn to funny skits, helpful tutorials, or maybe exciting gaming videos? The genre you choose should reflect your interests and strengths. Gaming videos can be thrilling, especially if you have a knack for commentary and strategy. Share your gameplay and tips with fellow gamers. Find your niche and make it your own. Whether it's beauty, tech, travel, or lifestyle, owning your niche will help you stand out in the crowded YouTube space. Here's a tip. Good lighting is key. It can make a huge difference in the quality of your videos. Invest in some basic lighting equipment or use natural light to your advantage. Nobody wants to watch a dark and blurry video. Poor lighting can turn viewers away, so always ensure your setup is bright and clear. Find a well-lit spot, whether it's by a window or with some extra lamps. Natural light is often the best. But don't hesitate to use artificial lighting to enhance your scene. And don't be afraid to experiment with different camera angles and editing techniques. Play around with your shots to find what works best for your style and content. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and have fun. Authenticity resonates with viewers, and they'll appreciate your genuine personality. Let your personality shine through, and your passion will be contagious. Your unique voice is what will set you apart and build a loyal audience. So get out there and start creating. You did it. You created an awesome video and shared it with the world. Now what? Consistency is key, my friends. Think of your favorite TV shows. They release new episodes regularly, right? That's what keeps you coming back for more. The same goes for your YouTube channel. Set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even more often, let your viewers know when they can expect new content from you. This doesn't mean you have to be a robot. Life happens, and sometimes things come up. But by being as consistent as possible, you'll build a loyal following who can't wait to see what you create next. Okay, so you've got amazing videos. Now let's make sure people actually find them. This is where SEO comes in. Search engine optimization. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Think of SEO as giving your videos a little boost. Use keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags that people might search for when looking for content like yours. For example, if you're making a video about baking chocolate chip cookies, use keywords like chocolate chip cookie recipe, easy baking tutorial, or best chocolate chip cookies. Another helpful tip: create custom thumbnails that are eye-catching and relevant to your video's content. A visually appealing thumbnail can make all the difference in attracting viewers. Are you ready to make some moolah? If you've been dreaming of turning your passion for creating videos into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of monetization magic. Once you've built up a following and your videos are getting views, it's time to monetize your channel. This means you can start earning money from your hard work. But how exactly do you do that? Well, there are several ways to turn those views into cash. One of the most common ways to monetize is through ads. You know those little commercials you sometimes see before or during YouTube videos? Those ads are a primary source of income for many creators. When viewers watch or click on these ads, you earn a share of the revenue generated. Yep, those can make you money. But wait, there's more. Ads are just the beginning. The more views and engagement your videos get, the higher your potential earnings from ads. But don't stop there. Diversify your income streams to maximize your earnings. You can also explore sponsorships, where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. This can be a lucrative option, especially if you have a niche audience that aligns with the brand's target market. And if you're feeling extra creative, you can even sell your own merchandise, like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, with your channel logo or a catchy phrase from your videos. Merchandise not only brings in additional revenue, but also helps build a stronger connection with your audience as they proudly wear or use your branded items. Another exciting way to monetize is through live streaming. Platforms like YouTube allow viewers to send super chats or donations during live streams. This not only provides immediate financial support, but also fosters a sense of community and engagement with your audience. So get creative, explore different monetization strategies, and watch your channel grow both in subscribers and in revenue. Building a strong community around your channel is like having a cheering section at a game. The more engaged your viewers are, the more successful your channel will be. So how do you attract loyal fans? It's all about interaction. Respond to comments, ask for video suggestions, and even give shout-outs to your most dedicated viewers. Another great way to grow your tribe is to collaborate with other YouTubers. Find creators in your niche and see if they'd be interested in making a video together. It's a fun way to cross-promote your channels and reach a wider audience. Feeling inspired yet? Let's take a look at some real-life YouTube superstars who turned their passions into full-time careers. Take PewDiePie, for example. He started out making gaming videos in his bedroom, and now he's one of the most subscribed YouTubers in the world. Or how about Michelle Phan? She shared her love for makeup and beauty tips on YouTube and built a massive following, eventually launching her own cosmetics line. These are just a few examples of the incredible success stories that started right here on YouTube. So dream big, my friends. Anything is possible with hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of creativity. Believe in your YouTube journey. Starting a YouTube channel can feel like taking a leap of faith. You might have doubts, fears, or moments of uncertainty. But guess what? That's totally normal. Everyone feels that way at some point. The key is to believe in yourself and your vision. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, even if you're not sure what you're doing at first. The beauty of YouTube is that it's a learning process. You'll make mistakes along the way, but that's okay. It's all part of the journey. So embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never ever give up on your dreams. Your YouTube adventure begins now. Well, folks, there you have it. We've covered the basics of starting a YouTube channel, creating engaging content, optimizing for SEO, monetizing your videos, and growing your audience. Now it's your turn to shine. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your personality shine through. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, be yourself. The world of YouTube is waiting for you, so grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and let's make some magic happen. As you embark on your YouTube journey, remember that success is even sweeter when it's shared. Help others who are just starting out. Offer encouragement, share your knowledge, and be a source of positivity in the YouTube community. Together, we can create a supportive and inspiring space where everyone feels empowered to share their passions with the world. So go out there, make amazing videos, and spread the joy of YouTube success. And hey, if you ever need a guest star for your channel, you know where to find me.